Alright, so I don't know if you could tell the filthiness of this wheel, but with this, which is basically a fingered glove with little, I don't know what you call it, bristles or whatnot, on here. I'm trying to do it with one hand, it's not easy. I'm going to use this to clean these wheels up and literally get into every nook and cranny. If I can get a finger in it, I'm going to clean it. And so just work your way around. It's actually a lot easier than trying to remember to brush and scratch the paint, because these are forged painted wheels. We'll take really good care of them. Get in each little crevice, little crack, stick your hand in there. Using the whole fist there, Doc. Oh yeah, that's a good movie. If you can know the name of that movie, comment in the comments what movie you think that's from. Using the whole fist there, Doc. Moon River. Anyways, I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna work on the inside with a regular chamois. Clean that up, blow it out with a blower, and get it back on the car. All right, we're gonna launch.